A beacon is a guiding light or signal, often used in lighthouses to warn and direct ships. It serves as an inspiration or guide in various contexts. Synonyms include beam and flare, highlighting its role in providing direction and clarity. Celestial refers to anything related to the sky or heavens, often described as heavenly or blissful. Synonyms include ethereal, stellar, and blissful, while antonyms are earthly, terrestrial, and infernal. This term captures the essence of something divine or otherworldly, contrasting sharply with the mundane or infernal aspects of existence. Confiscate means to seize by authority, often implying a legal or official action. Synonyms include commandeer and expropriate, highlighting the act of taking and keeping. In contrast, antonyms like return and reinstate suggest giving back or restoring possession. Data refers to information, facts, figures, and statistics. It is crucial in decision-making processes across various fields, providing the foundation for analysis and insights. Understanding data helps in identifying trends, making predictions, and driving strategic actions. An epic, whether a long narrative poem or a grand event, captures the heroic deeds and vast movements of history. As a noun, it refers to sagas or chronicles, while as an adjective, it describes something on a grand, titanic scale. These narratives often inspire and captivate audiences with their sweeping scope. A pessimist is someone who consistently expects negative outcomes, often referred to as a prophet of doom. Synonymous with a killjoy, pessimists contrast sharply with optimists or Pollyannas, who maintain a positive outlook. Understanding these perspectives can help in managing expectations and fostering balanced viewpoints. Prosecute means to bring someone before a court for trial or to carry out legal proceedings. Synonyms include put on trial and pursue, while antonyms are defend and abandon. Retaliate means to get revenge or strike back for an injury. Synonyms include payback and get even with. In contrast, antonyms are pardon, forgive, and turn the other cheek, highlighting a more forgiving approach. Underscore, as a verb, means to draw a line under or to emphasize something. It highlights importance, akin to underlining or stressing a point. Conversely, it contrasts with downplaying or de-emphasizing. As a noun, it refers to the line itself, serving as a visual cue for emphasis. Wholesome refers to something that is healthy and morally sound, promoting good health. It is synonymous with nourishing and beneficial, while its antonyms include harmful, unhealthy, and baneful.